Kajabi Funnels can streamline your sales process just by the click of a button. That's right, we're going to be looking at how to bundle your sales pages, even add an event, or even automated emails just by using the Kajabi funnel system. But before we jump in, I want to make you an offer. I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. You can head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and get access to your account today. And as a thank you for using my link, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. This is the program that I wish I had when I started my Kajabi journey. And that's just one of the awesome bonuses that I offer. More on those bonuses towards the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so here we are inside my live Kajabi account to look at everything Kajabi funnels. So there are a few ways that you can look at funnels, past funnels or future funnels. So if you have built out any funnels in the past, you can simply navigate to landing pages, and in one of the tabs in your landing pages, it will say funnels. Now, I've done a couple of funnels on this brand just to launch products in the past. You can either click on those and look at them in the landing page format. So this is a good representation of the funnel pages itself, and you can click on making sure you've got the details right for each page, and then you can click into each page and you can edit the pages in the page builder from here. You can either do that, or you can go back out into marketing, and under marketing there's a funnels tab. Now if you haven't built out any funnels yet, you can just click on new funnel, and in typical Kajabi fashion you have templates available. So you can have a look at all of these templates. You've got a waitlist coming soon, a freebie, a sales page, a Zoom webinar. You can click on any of these to say show me how, and there's a little video overview and it's going to tell you the elements. So registration page into confirmation page, 4 emails, 1 event, then 5 emails, sales page and checkout. The idea of using funnels is it's just using one click and Kajabi will build out the entire funnel for you. And this is a sales funnel in using a Zoom webinar. Now you can scroll down, you can create a funnel from blank pages if you want, but the idea is to start with a little bit of a funnel built out for you already. So clicking on legacy funnels, it will give you options to other funnels that have been shelved, but you can still use them. So this one here, the product launch, which is a multi-video product launch, which is the one that I used, was from the legacy pile. So here you've got email capture, video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, and then offer checkout. This is the one that I used as the blueprint for the previous launches that I've done. So if I click back out into funnels, and then I'm just going to go into one of these funnels. And here we have the blueprint of this content to clients workshop that I've previously run. So if this was a brand new funnel that you've opened up using this multi-video launch, you can customize it by adding in different pages here. Now it's going to give you little check marks each time you do these steps. And then once you do these steps, you can share the funnel. Now the cool thing about this is it's going to give you a coded link. So you can copy that and share the funnel in socials, on your emails. And this just means whenever you share this link and they click on it, they're going to see the first page in this funnel. So if you do rearrange any of the pages within this funnel, they're going to see the welcome page or the opt-in page, whichever page you position at the top here. Now you can see within the opt-in page, it has a form embedded, and then it has some automations as well. As you scroll down, you can see which pages are in what order, and then you can see the offer checkout at the bottom. Now, the one limitation of Kajabi funnels is you can only link one offer checkout. If you want to link multiple offer checkouts, you can, but you can't see any of the stats within the funnel. So that's going to have to be outside of the funnel. So if I was to click into this opt-in page, this is the first thing really you have to do is collect an email. If you're doing some type of live event, or if you're doing a multi-video launch, which is pre-recorded, the first page is an opt-in page. So you can either, like I said, back in the landing pages, you can go into the opt-in page and edit within the landing page itself, or you can edit within the funnel. So my advice here is to keep things really simple, have an enticing title, have a really, really simple opt-in and explain to people what they're going to learn if they opt into this free training or free training series, and say who it's hosted by. Then I would give them a really clear thank you page, and then just earmark the date. So if this is a multi-video launch like I was doing, earmark those dates for their calendar. And then I would also include, if they had any questions, to either email you or reach out to you on socials, and then click back home. So this is the multi-video launch. This is pretty much built out with this template. I've got video 1 here, video 2, and video 3. And then once they go through that multi-video launch, it then takes them to a sales page. And then the sales page will actually take them to this checkout. So like I said, you can also edit any of this within the landing pages. And just a point to note, if you were to delete any of these landing pages within the funnel tab, or for you to delete any of these pages within the funnel blueprint, it's going to just place this page back into your normal landing pages. So that, once more, the funnel overview, make sure you go through all of the steps within the funnel, and then you're going to get a funnel link. Share that funnel link wherever possible. Now, if you are doing a live element, you will have to link it up to an event, so a Kajabi event. But what I'd say is, if you're doing a live event, I would try and always offer a replay. That's just me. People all around the world, not all going to be able to attend your live event at a specific day and time. So I would just probably tweak this opt-in page to say the replay is now available. Here's how you get access to it. And then the next page, the thank you page, I would probably put up the replay. So you can add in pages here. You can just click in add page, and then I would probably upload a landing page with the actual replay in it. So people, if they get that link, and if it's on your socials and they click on that link after the event has passed, they can still opt in and they can still get access to that replay. It's up to you how long you put that replay up, but you can also capture that lead. So the whole point of this funnel is to capture leads, deliver value with some further training, and then position your offers. So if you can do that in a live situation, great. But if you can still do that as the cart is open, once that live element is finished, even better. So that's the general overview of Kajabi Funnels. Remember, go to Funnels, click on New Funnel, and have a look to see which funnel is right for you. Have a think about if you wanted to do a live event, if you wanted to do a pre-recorded event, or if you wanted to do a week-long event like a multi-series challenge. It's entirely up to you. They all work. The main thing is you've got to deliver massive value, help people get results in advance, and then position your offers and services on the back end. So there we have it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can identify something that you can take action on. So as a reminder, I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. That is over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means if you continue past those 30 days free trial and you become a paying customer of Kajabi like me, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And when you become a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, as a second thank you from me, I'm going to offer you a second program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you access. Within this product, you'll be able to download templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi. And these are the sales page templates that I use in my business today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the awesome bonuses that I do offer on that page. Hopefully you got massive value from this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the very next one.